Hi, my name is Tom with T's Extreme Auto Outlet in Frankfurt, and I'm here to talk about Jonas Dentech. Been doing business with him for about 2 years. Jonas is a great guy. Every time I call him, shows up when I need him. I give him cars that are very, very difficult, depending on whether or not I'm going to be able to get him to do it or take it to the body shop. Is where Jonas comes to me and says, I don't know, maybe, but always comes through for me. Like on this truck, does a great job. I recommend Jonas Dentech to any dealership, any person that needs a dent removed and not have to rely on body shops. Prices are great, and I'm very happy with his work.